Hi guys, hope you all are doing well. I ordered a Samsonite suitcase. Our suitcases need some changes. The old ones, they need to be thrown away and replaced with a better ones for protection and for more security while traveling. So I ordered a Samsonite brand. Just gonna show you guys what this looks like. See, it goes 360. You can see how it's moving freely with no friction. It's just moving on its own. I'm quite impressed. Love the shell back, so it gives your belonging that extra protection. So the brand name is all crested all over the box, and the ziplock for security. Let's try to open this one now and see what the inside looks like. Slide it there and it's going to open. It's massive. It has so many compartments. So zip here. Oh, the double zip, so you can put one thing there and the other one down there without it all getting all mixed up. So this is the first zip, the first inner zip, and it has this one just right behind it. This one can also be zipped. It's all up to you. Yeah. And the main part, which is where you put your belongings. It has a fastener just to hold your things in place. Okay, so it has lovely features. Shell back, it keeps your belongings well protected. So the zip fastening is a very good puncture resistant. It's a puncture resistant zip to give your belongings that extra protection. So, and the locking, which is a very good locking. So I must say it's quite big. It's huge. It's huge. So let's see what it says here. So shock absorbing wheels. So the wheels, it goes 360. You rotate left, right and center. Okay guys, highly recommended. Thank you.